Okay, Bula. Okay, Bula everybody. Bula from Namosi from Gasaudrau Farm. Okay, we have two princesses here. They're going to introduce themselves. What's your name?
Maria.
Name is Maria. And what's your name?
Viola.
Viola. Okay, Maria, where are you from?
I'm from Taveuni.
Taveuni. And Viola, where are you from?
I'm from Namosi.
From Namosi. Okay, Viola, tell our viewers what we're planning to do today.
Today we are planning to do a party and a barbecue. So these are the balloons to decorate the house, and we have some food inside in the house.
Okay, all right. And how long did it take you to do the balloon decoration?
It took hours.
Yeah?
Yes.
And how many of you were doing the balloon preparation?
3.
3? Okay. Oh, Tutu is here. Okay, so there's Tutu there. And how many of you did the balloon? Viola, stand over there.
3.
Okay. So you're going to invite Anna? Who else you going to invite? Viola?
Just only Anna.
Hey! All your other cousins too. Yeah, so tell them what to do, expect for today. Tell them. Yeah, so we have the gifts for them. Remember?
I did the gifts,
Okay.
and it's just a surprise.
Yeah.
She don't know what's the gift.
What's that, Naluri? Okay. And
She
Maria?
don't know what's the gift.
Maria, you are happy to be here?
Yes.
Yeah, Vinaka, Maria. Maria, do you go to school?
Yes.
Yeah, what school do you go to?
I schooling on the I schooling
Yeah.
on the Mama kindergarten. On the next year I'll school on St. Joseph.
St. Joseph the Waka. You go to the same school? Wow. Not yet?
Yeah, not yet. I think next year.
Oh, okay. Vinaka, okay. Yes, lots of fish, lots of... Okay, Viola, I can see the makeup on Maria. Why do you love the makeup? I love the makeup
Because
on
it
you.
makes me pretty.
Yes, and who brought the makeup?
Auntie.
Auntie. Which auntie? Auntie Rita.
Auntie.
Auntie Rita, eh? Okay. Tutu is there, and everyone is listening from England. What would you like to say to everybody in England? Yeah, there's your Valanda watching, Bula Valanda. There's some other Netherlanders were listening here. What you gonna tell them?
Hi.
Hi, and invite them to come to the
Barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue in Gasaudrau Farm. Any of the tacos in Namosi village. If you're hungry, you are welcome to come.
Yes, and we have some surprise.
Yes, we have some surprise, and please come along and enjoy. And we'll also have music.
Yes. Auntie is the DJ.
Yeah, Auntie's a DJ. God, everyone is saying hello. From England, Bula Vinaka, Bula Tako, Bula na Bubale na Rokotonga Levu, watching from England. We love you all, and we invite you all, when you come to Fiji next time, you come to Gasaudrau for barbecue. Yeah? Okay. Bye, Maria. Va moda mai. Raka Maria, bye. Okay, bye, Ella. Yes.
Please come.
Yes. Anna, if you're watching, please come. We're waiting for you. Okay? So you're gonna show us the balloon? You're gonna take a walk, okay? Show us the balloon. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Naka. Okay? Say this 14 balloon. Oh, nice watching. Nah.
Hi, Na.
So, Nah, would you like to come for barbecue?
Na, you want to come for barbecue?
Hmm.
Don't say no, come.
And look, I've got my makeup.
Yeah, I got my makeup on. See?
And Maria too. Maria looks really nice too with the makeup. Viola, tell the viewers, how did you invite Maria to put on the makeup?
When Maria come, I asked her yada from permission to
Yes.
if we can do her makeup.
Okay.
And she said yes. So I did her makeup, and she said she wants some glitter on her eyes, and she have one blush, and I put like a little bit dot, and she wiped it off.
Oh, that looks really nice. Eh? Looks really nice. Really beautiful. And that's a talent, Labo. You know, to do makeup. People make money.
But we were friends.
Oh, you're friends. Vinaka Maria. And it's so nice, Maria, that you're going to go to St. Joseph the Worker. That's where she goes. That's where she goes for school. Yeah, it's a good school.
Now, come, please. Ew.
So we're going to go this way. Come, take a trip around the veranda and saying hello to everybody that is going to come and join us. Yeah. Okay.
I'm going to swim.
Yes.
We're just waiting for a big girl to come and take us.
Yes. Yeah, and the sun is coming out. Ladies and gentlemen, it was raining before, maybe about half an hour before, it was raining. And now it's the sun is coming out. Yeah? Yes. Yeah, a lot of people are watching. Bula Vinaka, everybody. Nakapakalevu for joining us today. So
Hello.
So we're going to say goodbye now. Bye, Maria.
Bye.
Bye. And see you again soon.
No. If you don't come, man, I'm going to be aggressive.
Okay, bye everybody. We love you all. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye. Loloma from Gasaudrau. Yeah, Mother. Bye. Yes, Mother. Nice. Okay, bye everybody. Yeah.
Yes, yung demarang.
Adil talmen singa. Iya, na otsina na basingali bungoya. Kita sawara kucungon na mata sere. Wala sala cukumen na koro wana tava. Ayarto sana bakaro cukumer to nang wale mai. Ni ngai bakarong ti kumai. Ni ngonor to sana mikini vale. En ngai ndoya ni na kena viwase ni be kemni na sara tiko. Iya. Nakabale bu salolo tu yani naka imode